How to set up project tasks templates in monday.com. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a board or a project task, as you can see like these, or tasks, multiple tasks I mean by that, to a template. So let's say that we have this as a template, or I'm going to choose something like this. I'm going to create it or set it up as a template. How we can do that? It is going to be very easy. I'm going to isolate this board, as you can see, and put a copy or duplicate from it. Why? Because I do not need any modification that I'm going to put here to be live on the templates. I'm going to give only this template for the purpose of trying or creating new tasks or project from it, from the basic model, I mean. We're going to head over the more, or as you can see, the board itself. We're going to click on more options and we're going to click on duplicate. We're going to put duplicate and we're going to choose what to duplicate. As you can see, the board, structure, items, and updates. I'm going to set up everything like that. Now, it is going to be setting up this. So depending on the duplication that you have put, this is going to be it. Now I'm going to place it here under the same board like that. And what we're going to do now is to click on more options, and then we're going to have the save as template option. I'm going to save it like this, and also it is going to duplicate the origin. I'm going to move to the origin, and I'm going to put here the standard template. You can put the merged one, but I'm not going to do that because it is going to be only for the enterprise plan. Now we're going to save the name of it or create the template just like that and wait for a few seconds until you are going to find it right there. Now, if you are going to create a new board from the template that you have here, you have saved, I mean, you're going to find it on the saved ones for you. So we're going to give it a little bit of time, and here you go. Now, if you're going to be on the template center, you're going to click on created by me and you're going to find yours. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.